You probably think Telegram is safe, right? It's the app everyone turns to when they want their conversations to stay private and secure. It's the go-to app for privacy, end-to-end encryption, secret chats, self-destruct timers. All the features that make you feel like your messages are untouchable. On the surface, it feels like Fort Knox, a digital fortress built to keep intruders out. We trust it with our most sensitive information, believing it's the gold standard of secure messaging, a place where secrets are truly safe. But what if I told you those walls aren't as high or as unbreakable as you think? There are cracks you might not see. The digital landscape is always shifting, and new threats emerge every day. Hackers in 2025 have evolved, becoming smarter, faster, and more unpredictable than ever before. They use sophisticated, subtle, and terrifying ways to bypass the security we rely on, exploiting weaknesses we never imagined. Telegram, despite its reputation, is no longer immune to these advanced attacks. The real threat, it's not just technology, it's human trust, the belief that we're safe when we might not be. This isn't just about strong passwords or two-factor authentication. Today, we're diving into the shadows, exploring the hidden dangers lurking behind the screen. We'll reveal the 10 latest hacking methods that compromise Telegram accounts. Even without your password, you'll be surprised at how easy it can be. Stick around. What you learn today could save your account and maybe even your digital life. Let's start with session hijacking, a method that exploits Telegram's multi-device sync, allowing seamless access across all your devices. Every device you log in on gets a unique session token, a digital keycard that grants access to your account. If a hacker gets it, they become you. How? Through malware, which is often hidden in seemingly harmless files. Download a shady file or app, and malware can steal your session token, sending it to the attacker without your knowledge. They load it into their Telegram client and instantly access your chats, contacts, and files. No password or 2FA needed, making it incredibly dangerous. The worst part? You won't get a login notification. It's just a cloned, trusted session that operates in the shadows. Your only clue might be an unfamiliar device in your active sessions, which can easily be overlooked. Regularly check active sessions in Telegram settings to ensure all devices are recognized. If you see a device or location you don't recognize, terminate it immediately to cut off unauthorized access. Log out of all other sessions except your current one to maintain control over your account. This simple habit is one of your strongest defenses against potential threats. Don't ignore it. Session hijacking is silent but devastating, often going unnoticed until it's too late. Stay vigilant, and don't let convenience become your weakness. Always be aware of the risks. Multi-device sync is great, but it's also a backdoor if you're not careful. Balance convenience with security. Protect your sessions like you protect your password. Use strong security practices to safeguard your digital life. Trojanized APKs, fake Telegram Pro or Telegram Gold apps, are everywhere. They promise exclusive features, but they're just traps. Install one, and you're giving hackers a remote access Trojan, full access to your device. These fake apps look and work like real Telegram, but secretly log your keystrokes, steal your contacts, photos, and even banking info. The goal isn't just your Telegram account, it's your entire digital life. Because you installed it, you bypass your phone's security. The solution is simple. Only download Telegram from the official app stores. Never trust third-party sites, forums, or Telegram channels offering modded versions. The risks are huge, and the features are fake. Protect your privacy, stick to the real app. The SS7 exploit is a hacker's dream, used not just by cybercriminals, but also by professional hackers and even state-sponsored actors. It's a powerful tool in the wrong hands, capable of breaching even seemingly secure communications. SS7 is the backbone of global mobile networks, silently connecting billions of phones worldwide. But it's an old protocol, designed decades ago, and it was built on a foundation of trust between network operators, trust that hackers can now easily exploit. Hackers who gain access to SS7 can secretly redirect your calls and SMS messages, including sensitive login codes for apps like Telegram, straight to their own devices, all without your knowledge. They can initiate a login attempt on your account, intercept the SMS OTP meant for you, and gain full access. You never see the code arrive, and you're left completely unaware until it's too late. While this attack is rare, it's very real, and it's often used to target high-profile individuals, business leaders, celebrities, journalists, and activists, whose accounts are especially valuable. Your best defense against SS7 attacks: enable Telegram's two-step verification feature, which adds an extra layer of security beyond just your phone number. This feature adds a password on top of the SMS code, so even if your OTP is intercepted or stolen, your account remains protected and out of reach from attackers. Don't make the mistake of relying solely on your phone network for security. Phone networks can be vulnerable, and SMS alone isn't enough to keep you safe. Two-step verification acts as your personal network-independent shield, giving you control over your account's safety no matter what happens to your phone number. Set it up now. Don't wait until it's too late. Take action today to secure your Telegram account and protect your digital life. SIM swap attacks bring the threat into the real world. Hackers gather your personal info, then trick your mobile carrier into activating a new SIM with your number. Suddenly, your phone loses service, and the attacker's phone becomes you. They request a Telegram login code, which now goes straight to them. With your number, they bypass most device security and take over your account. The only thing that stops them? Telegram's two-step verification password. Without it, your digital identity is wide open. Protect yourself. Set up two-step verification now. Don't let a phone call be your weakest link. Telegram's bots and channels are powerful, but also a playground for scammers. Fake bots promise free crypto, premium features, or cool filters, then ask for your phone number and login code. Or they send you to a phishing page, a perfect copy of Telegram web but with a fake URL. Enter your info and you hand your account to hackers. Rule #1, never enter your login code or password into a bot or suspicious page. Always check the URL, only trust. If something feels off, close the page. No freebie is worth your account. Stay skeptical. Phishing is everywhere. Clipboard hijacking is invisible and deadly. Malware monitors your clipboard, waiting for you to copy passwords or 2FA codes. Copy a Telegram login code and the malware instantly sends it to the attacker. They use it to access your account before the code expires. You won't notice a thing. It's completely silent. Protect yourself. Use reputable antivirus software and avoid copying sensitive codes. Type out codes manually whenever possible. Good digital hygiene is your best defense. Don't let convenience hand over your security. Sometimes a few extra seconds can save your account. Attackers now use Telegram's QR code login against you. They set up a phishing site with a real Telegram QR code, just a live feed from their own device. You scan it, thinking you're logging in, but you're actually authorizing their computer as a trusted device. Instantly, they have full access to your account. You might see a fake thank you page, but the damage is done. Never scan a Telegram QR code from a random website, email, or message. Only scan codes on devices you own, from official Telegram sites. If in doubt, don't scan. QR codes are convenient, but can be a trap. Zero-day exploits are the hacker's holy grail, unknown flaws with no fix. Telegram's client apps aren't fully open source, so hidden vulnerabilities can exist. A zero-day could let attackers run malicious code just by sending you a crafted file. Or, a malicious app could exploit Telegram to steal your chat database. These attacks are rare and target high-value users, but they're real. Your best defense: update Telegram and your device as soon as patches are released. Don't delay. Updates often fix critical security holes. Stay current, stay protected. Hackers now use automated phishing kits to clone Telegram web in real time. These tools create perfect fake login pages, passing your info straight to the real Telegram site in the background. Enter your phone number and OTP, and the attacker logs in instantly. They use urgency, fake countdowns or warnings to rush you. After stealing your account, they redirect you to the real site or an error page. Always check the URL before entering any info. Look for and the padlock icon. Spoofing tools rely on you missing small details. Vigilance is your best defense. Third-party Telegram mods offering chat backups are a huge risk. These apps access your decrypted messages and upload them to cloud services, sometimes insecurely, or even to the developer's server. You have no way to verify what's happening with your data. Even if the backup is encrypted, A weak or shared key can expose everything if your cloud account is compromised. The official Telegram app is designed to keep your data secure on your device. Using mods introduces unknown risks and backdoors. Stick to the official app. Don't trade security for convenience. Your chat history is worth protecting. 10 ways your Telegram can be breached, most exploiting trust, not just passwords. But knowledge is power. Build layers of security, enable two-step verification, use a strong password, and review active sessions. Never use third-party clients or mods. Be skeptical of links, bots, and QR codes. Keep your app and device updated, and use antivirus software. Each step is a lock on your digital door. Hackers look for easy targets. Don't be one. Security is ongoing, not a one-time setup. Telegram is secure if you use it wisely. So is your digital door really locked, or just pretending to be?